What's the meaning of cardinal? Cardinal. Cardinal.
Cardinal. Cardinal. The word cardinal has several meanings depending on the context. Generally, it refers to a high-ranking member of the Catholic Church or a bright red color resembling the robe worn by cardinals. In mathematics, a cardinal is a type of number used to describe the size of a set. It represents the number of elements in a set, disregarding their order or structure. In astrology, the cardinal signs refer to the 4 zodiac signs that mark the beginning of the seasons. Overall, cardinal can denote importance, prominence, or a fundamental quality.